Hi there, Jason with Portland Purple Water. We have an exciting new product here. It is just behind me here. This is an aquaponics system that is very accessible and very, very powerful. Easy to put together, really low cost, and highly, highly productive. I'm getting ready to do some fail-safe testing on this, and I want to show you what that looks like to show you how reliable it is. We have 4 barrels here and 1 sump tank below and 1 fish tank over here on the side. So there is a delicate balance, and especially in this indoor space, we don't want that water to overflow. If this is an outdoor space, this is really not a problem. We just fill the fish tanks all the way up, fill the sump tank all the way up, fill the barrels all the way up, and let the additional splash over, and it'll settle to the ideal operating height. But occasionally, indoors and in clean indoor greenhouse spaces, we could have an issue with too much water overflowing. And so I want to see what that level is like. So what we have here is a fail-safe fail situation as best as we can do. We've added water to the what we think is the ideal height, and then added an additional 15 gallons over the course of both last night and today. And so now I've got all of the grow beds to the point where they're going to kick in, and let's see if it then goes and overflows. So I'm going to turn this one on and let the Venturi process start. So this one is on, and as soon as the Venturi action kicks in, I want to start all the rest of them and get them all flowing out as fast as we can, so that we have all of them now kicking into the overflow. This one just went, this one just went, and now that one just went. So all 4 of them are dumping down into the sump basin there, and we'll let that go for a little bit, and it'll be interesting to see whether or not it overflows. I'm sure hoping it doesn't, because I don't want to have to clean up this mess here on the ground. So away it goes, and as you can see, it's starting to fill very quickly. Now this system is really exciting. I'm real pleased about it. We have over here a friendly aquaponics raft system, deep water culture, and you can see how productive the plants are. And then all this additional space that we're going to expand to, but what we're really looking for was the least cost system, so that we could bring aquaponics to the most amount of people. So here we go. It's getting a little higher now. Quite a bit higher even. And still it is draining out. And all of the siphons are still going. And this first one over here, the first one that we started, then did just kick off. And so it's no longer overflowing into the sump basin, but the other 3 are still going. And the water level is getting to the top of the sump basin, so it's going to be close. But I can hear these 2 starting to kick off. The air is starting to go, and they're starting to gurgle. And this one over here went off. And then this one, and all 4 of them are off. So there you have it, success. Isn't that great?